here's everything we know about the overhaul playbrick update so far. So the playbrick overhaul update is basically gonna be like them having phases instead of them having versions, I think. So the thing is that we do know that we are getting a new map. We are getting a new map. So that indicates a lot. We already have monster skins in the game for some reason. And there's obviously more we know about the update now. Because on here, it says that it's going to be Season 1. And the Break Pass will come out. But the thing is, it has a long time until release date. It's coming out on October 2026 at 11 a.m. Which would mean it's like mostly going to be released at the time when I'm in school on that day. So, and the fact that I have to go to the dentist today. So, yeah, I probably won't be making any videos, not a lot of videos. And I want to make, I want to make some videos. You know, I upload daily. Because, well, I mean, I still haven't gotten any other subscribers yet. I still have 24 right now. So could you please subscribe? It would help me out. So, yeah. And I just want to mention that I'm getting like really good on like pausing videos and going to a different section. I'm getting good at that now. Because it's like, well, I don't know how to edit, but I do know how to pause videos and make them go into a different section. So I forgot to mention that I will probably be moving on to Xbox soon, or like a console or something, or I might be going on a different phone. So I don't know if I'll be able to make that much YouTube videos, or if I will able to or if I'll be able to make any YouTube videos at all. But could you please subscribe? I'm trying. Our next subscriber goal is 30 subscribers. So yeah. Bye.